Girl Bella. Well, hello babes, it's me, Shannon B for BrownGirlBella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And today is Monday, and you know what we do on Mondays? We McGrath. So today I'm going to be featuring this little beauty, which is Nocturnal Nirvana. It's currently not available, sorry guys. But if you did pick this up, we're gonna play with it. I'm gonna do a look with probably all 4 of the colors. So without further delay, let's get into it. So as you know, I love to prime my eyes first before I begin my routine. And today's eye primer is going to be Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and then we are also going to dip into Mother's Magic Wand. That's what I like to call it. Its real name is IntensifiEYES Artistry Wand, but yeah, it's Mother's Magic Wand. We're going to show you how we can make magic with that wand. So first, let's prime the eyes. I'm going to use a dot on each eye. You really don't need a lot for this look. And I'm using my Sonia G concealer brush because it really helps get that color on quick. Look at that. Look how quick that was. And all this time I've been using it just for underneath the eyes. Who knew? Brushes have all sorts of uses. So if you got it, definitely try it for your eye look. And my little almond shaped eyes, they always need a little help. So there you have it. So I'm going to brush off that product because we're actually going to use this again when we go underneath the eyes to conceal. I already have on the Pat McGrath base, so that is already set. And now let's get into this look, shall we? I'm actually going to start with one of my new pencils. This one is by Marc Jacobs, and I love the name of this. It is called Midnight in Paris. Oh yeah. Midnight in Paris. That just sounds sexy. And I'm going to start at the lash line with this shade. And I'm going to build it up in the corner just a little bit. And I'm going to bring it up to the highest point of the crease. Okay, next we're going to take the Soft Definer brush by Sonia G, and we're going to dip into the first shade, which is Blitz Aquamarine. So we're going to take that, we're going to start on the outer corner And we're going to blend it in to the crease. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush by Rephr. This is the number 21, and I'm going to go into this color right here, which is VR Emerald, and I'm going to place that on the front half and middle part of the eye, blending it in with what I did at the tail end with the blue shade. Brushing off the color on a microfiber towel, I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to go into the gold shade here, which is Incandescent Gold 001, and that's going to go in the inner corner and up towards the crease. Lastly, I'm going to take Blitz Purple with another Rephr brush. This one is the number 12. And I'm going to go right where I put that blue liner. That's where I am putting Blitz Purple. And then going back and forth just to blend it out. Blush, we're going to use Mother Pat's Divine Blush. This one is in the shade Desert Orchid. So that's Desert Orchid, using the Sonia G Master Face. We're going to use that and just buff it into the skin. Now this one is not like really bright. You have to be up on me to really notice it. Hopefully you can see a little bit of it on camera. But if I'm doing an elaborate look like this eye look, I want to at least have some parts of my face that are a little bit more subdued, so that the eyes take focus. And then I'm going to put on just a little bit of highlighter, and I'm going to use Mother's highlighter for this look as well. The highlighter I'm going to use is this one. So this is a trio, and the first one I'm going to use is Incandescent Pink, which will bring up some of the tone in the actual blush, so you can see it right there. Give my nose a little love and a Cupid's bow, just a little bit. We don't want to look like Rudolph, right? That's correct. So now that I have done those two, I'm going to dip out of Pat just to put on some bronzer. And for bronzer, I'm going to use Gucci. This is the number 4 bronzing powder. And I'm going to use yet another brush. This is the Face Pro. I'm going to use that just to give some warmth back to my face. Can't forget the lashes. We're going to use Kiss Lashes in Lash Couture. This is the Naked Drama collection, and this one is called Tool. So that's the one I'm using. We're going to use now Mother Pat's wand, which I love, especially for shimmer shades. And I'm going to put some right on top of that green, because we're going to build that green up a little bit more and make it even more shiny. Don't forget to wipe off your wand when you're done so that there's no color transfer. And then using my ring finger, I'm going to go back to that green VR Emerald, and with my ring finger I'm just going to tap it very lightly so that you can see that burst of color just pop through. That's why I call it a magic wand, because it's truly magical how it takes the color and just amps it up immediately. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love that wand. I actually I'm going to order another one just in case she ever sells out or I can't find it. I have one, you know, like as a backup. So definitely getting that. Definitely getting that again. Another thing I reordered, my mascara. We drop it low and wiggle, 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 wiggle. All right, now we're gonna go in and do the lips. I'm gonna start off with just a ColourPop pencil, although you can use Ground Control or even black coffee if you have it. Marry the two together. And then let's go in with Pat McGrath's liquid lipstick in Nude Cabernet. And that is it. Nude Cabernet. There you go. Nude Cabernet. So here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed our special on Mondays We McGrath. One more look at the eyes. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so, and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Until next time, you have now been Bellafied.